This video is for the new stretchers straps, the X style, not the 5-point harness for STRYKER stretchers. We have two styles of mattress, one that has the neck cutouts and one that is just a straight mattress.
So each one of these new straps has a label of where they go. This one is labeled ankle. So we come down to the normal ankle hole and put it in. Just set the buckle through the loop till it's tight. Okay. Next strap. This one says shoulder. The shoulder actually attaches on the first section of railing. Goes just around the rail. Then it comes up through. This stretcher has a hole here. Comes down. You got the other shoulder? Yes. Alright, so fasten it here. This strap is labeled knees. Here, do this side. Waist.
Or waist and shoulder.
Waist and shoulder. So the double female waist and shoulder goes on the next spot on the handrail. One is going to go across the waist. The other one clips to the opposite shoulder.
This is the double female, or double male.
Okay, that one goes here. The male-female goes on the opposite side. The male is the lap belt. Female goes to the opposite shoulder. So that it creates an X across the person's shoulder, chest. Alright, so we'll unbuckle and put the cushion on. This is the old mattress. It doesn't have the cutouts at the neck here. So we have to come across the mattress. Knees, and ankles. All straps will be used at all times. Alright, so the new stretcher styles have a different cutout in the mattress. It has the cutouts for the straps. The straps are going to go through the holes the same way and down onto the handrail. Then these straps come over the top of the shoulder. So you can put a pillowcase over the head and a sheet over the bottom. Old stretcher style without the cuts at the level of the shoulder, it makes the straps want to come over the top of the spine board. Alright, so if we have the old style mattress and we come over the top of the spine board, the straps go across the throat. If somebody hits the brakes, it tightens down on the neck. So we don't want to go through, or we don't want to go over the top of the spine board. We're going to go at the level of the shoulder through the spine board. Now you can see they fit exactly where the shoulder is supposed to be at, and it won't tighten down on the neck. So the old stretcher styles with the old mattress, you must go through the first handhold of the backboard or you'll kill your patient. This is the new stretcher with the new cutouts at the shoulder level. We put the person on a spine board and they seem to come out right at the shoulder where they're supposed to. So now we're going to see if the spine board will slide if somebody hits the brakes too hard. Go ahead. It looks like it catches. If this was to flop over your shoulder, that'd be pretty hard.
Yeah. It's all filled right there.
Alright, so it seems to catch on the shoulders. Unless somebody breaks a shoulder or something, then they're still coming out. But that's the new one.
Let's try.
Loosen the straps up a little bit and see if he'll slide. If somebody doesn't tighten down on this patient the way that they should, they're still coming out of that.
Worst case scenario.
Yeah. If you're leaving the straps loose so that your patient can move and breathe and be comfortable, then they will still slide off of this stretcher. Go ahead. Well, if they were backboarded tight. Alright, so anyhow, let's go back down with him, slide him up on there and put it through the handhold. Those straps will still come over the shoulders if they're left loose. Put the shoulder straps through the first handhold where the backboard straps are. Alright, so if you go through that first handhold on the spine board, you'll be putting pressure on the patient and the board, not just the patient by himself, and there's no way for the shoulders to slip past the straps if somebody gets in a wreck. So that's what we're going to do.
New mattress with the neck cutouts. Notice that the straps go through the holes and around the edges of the mattress. They fasten on the handrail. The old mattress, there's not a neck cut out, but they fasten in the same place on the rail and go around the edge of the mattress. Same place on the railing is where they're fastened. The old mattress, notice the straps come around the sides. Don't come over the top because it'll go across the patient's neck.